Today our topic is mutable object. Mutable, M-U, mutable object. So, what is a mutable object in Python? A mutable object is an object that can be modified after it's created. Okay, that's all about. You can you can take any operation of after the object is created. Okay, a mutable object is the objects object that can be modified modified after it's created. Okay, let's example for list, dict, set, and etc. Okay, we can take a list equals to 1 2 3. Okay, it is a reference and its reference is initialized by the list, a curly brackets. A lists have a 3 integer 1 2 3. Now we can take a modification on the list. We can take some modification on the list list 1 equal to 30. Whatever the meaning of this line here, in the index 1 of the list, in the index 1 of the list, we can assign it by the 30. That's mean 30. So the in the index 1 the 2, so the index 1 2 is replaced by the 30. 2 is replaced by the 30. After modification, the list looks like that 133. Okay, 133. In that case, no any further object is created. Okay, no any further object is created. both have a same object. List 130 and list 1 2 3 both are belong to same object. Okay. We give you some coding example so it is clear for you. Okay. This is my code of the mutable objects. Here we at first create a list. Okay, this is a reference variable, or you can say the reference original list. This is initialized by a list object. Okay. The value of the list was 10, 20, 30 and 40. Assign the another list. You can say the copied list. Another reference. This point to the original list. Okay. Before modification, the original list and the copied list are printed, and also we print the ID with the help of the predefined functions ID function. Okay. After that we print after that we modified the in a original list the index number 1 and assign the value integer value 999. Okay, and after that we print after modifying the original list 999 and the original list is printed here, and print the copy list also. And after that we print the memory address of the original list and the copied list here. And I also run the program. Let's check it. What about the IDs? Okay. Object object.py. When you run the Python program, py python 3, please write this command python 3 for the Mac. Let's check the output. Before modification, original list is 10, 20, 30, 40 and copied list 10, 20, 30 and 40. And the references is 4, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 2, 4, 6, 4, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6. Both are same. After modification, in the index 1, we insert a 999 instead of 20. It is also reflected on the copied list. Same changes 10, 999 and 30 and 40. And we also show that ID of the original list and the copied list are same. So that means mutable objects. That means a mutable objects when change something, then no any new objects are created. That means when we update some things in the list, then further no any new objects is created. Any updates is done in the old objects. That all.